All right, family, here are the three best things about this pack of TN830XL replacement toner cartridges, okay? First of all, you get a ton of prints before needing to swap them out, okay? Each one of these high-yield XL cartridges pumps out up to 3,000 pages. This particular one comes as a 4-pack, so you're looking at around 12,000 pages of total printing, which means you can print mountains of documents, work reports, or school papers without constantly running to the store to buy more, okay? Second, they come ready to pop straight into your printer without any annoying extra steps, okay? They have the smart computer chips already built in, so your brother printer recognizes them instantly right out the box, okay? No no messing around trying to peel chips off your old factory cartridges or dealing with annoying error screens on your printer, okay? None of that, all right? And finally, it's a complete, total money saver without giving up crisp, clear text, okay? You get sharp, dark prints every single time. But for a fraction of what you typically spend buying official, name brand brother toner products, which I won't speak on, okay? It's basically the ultimate shortcut if you want reliable daily printing without blowing through your entire budget, okay? So if you do a ton of printing on your brother setup and want to keep your costs way down without sacrificing quality, these are a no-brainer on Amazon. Peace, y'all.